it's Liz Yuille from Old Sables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I've got a quick run through the current annual catalogue for you to show you what may or may not be carrying over. And therefore, if you want it, now's the time to get it time. Now, full disclosure, I have not looked at what is or is not in stock at the moment, what may or may not be not orderable. This is just a question of what is or is not carrying over to the new catalogue. So not everything that I'm talking about will necessarily be in stock or indeed available to order at the time when you see this video. So, disclaimer dealt with. Let's start. So, this is going to be very quick. So, where are we starting? Okay, kits. The Notes of Kindness card kit is carrying over, but the refill is not. Soft Saying is going completely. Lots of Happy is staying, but not the refill. No Planner carrying over. The Calligraphy Essentials is not carrying over. The tins are staying. Everything else on that page isn't. Going, staying, but if you want the bundle price, then you should get it now. What I would say is that it's going to be wood and clear mount. In the new catalogue, it's going to be cling or cling. So, but if you want the bundle discount, now. Flourishing Phrases is staying. Accented Blooms is staying. Botanical Bliss is staying, and again, the bundle isn't, but the dies are, but the bundle isn't. Another Wonderful Year going. Half Full going. Label Me Pretty staying. Graceful Garden going. Climbing Orchid going. Sitting Pretty going. Animal Outing staying, but again, if you want the bundle, you know what to do. Leaf Ribbon is staying. I will cover the ribbons later as well. Bike Ride going. Letterboard Messages going. Bella, Pretty Kitty and Vertical Greetings going. Special Celebrations staying. This Little Piggy staying. There will be no You Can Make It in the new catalogue in this format. So if you want to do just the one item number, then now's the moment to do it. Lift Me Up going. Hedgehogs going. Treat Time going. Ditto the Dies. Best Bunny going, and I don't think it's orderable at all, but don't quote me on that. One for All going. Let the Good Times Roll going. Detailed with Love going. Faceted Gems may be staying. I'll come back to that. At this point in the going through the catalogues, I kind of gave up the will to live. So Detailed with Love stamp set is definitely going. The Trio Punch is carrying over, that much I do remember. Around the Corner is going. Pop On By is going. A Good Day is going. You've Got Style going. Bubbles and Bubbly going. The Darling Label Punch Box is carrying over. Varied Vases is carrying over, but again, it's currently a bundle. Itty Bitty Greetings are staying. In Every Season going. Pop of Petals staying, but it's a bundle. P.S. You're the Best. Postcard Pals and Tabs for Everything are going. Pocketful of Sunshine, Jar of Love going. En Route going. Friendly Expressions, Follow Your Dreams and One Wild Ride going. I've hardly used that one at all. At Home With You going. Thoughtful Banners Bubble Over going. Enjoy Life is staying. Heartland and Peaceful Place are staying. Coffee Cafe, I love Coffee Cafe, it's going. Apron of Love going. Hanging Garden going. I don't even think I've inked that one up yet. That's sad. Hold On to Hope is staying. Barn Door is staying. No, that's fine. Sorry, those were bundles in the last catalogue. Banners for You going. Sitting Here going. Broadway Birthday staying. The Bundle. It's a bundle. Free Cake going. Birthday Backgrounds and Perennial Birthday are staying. 25 again. I'm not convinced that's staying. Don't quote me on that, but I'm not convinced. I think that's going. I may have just not crossed it out properly. And I don't have my new catalogue with me, so I can't answer that one. Happy Birthday Gorgeous and Birthday Banners are both going. Balloon Celebration is going, although the punch is staying. Big Wishes going. Icing on the Cake, Perfect Birthday, Blow Out the Candles going. Cake Soiree Birthday Poses going. Little Twinkle is staying. It's a Bundle, just saying. Baby Bear going. A Little Wild, Fastened with Love going. Foxy Friends, this was my very first stamp set. Foxy Friends is going. Treehouse Adventure, I should say first Stamping Up stamp set. Treehouse Adventure going. Inspired Event Sweet Baby going. Precious Delivery Fairy Celebrations going. Little Elephant is staying. It's a Bundle. Just saying. Mistletoe Season is going. Christmas Pines Cookie Cutter going. Star of Light, Night in Bethlehem and Nature Sings are going. Snowflake Sentiments, Hearts Come Home and Stylish Christmas going. Ready for Christmas, Labels to Love and Seasonal Chums going. Beautiful Promenade staying. It's a Bundle. Best Birds going. Kindness and Compassion staying. Floral Phrases going. Healing Hug staying. Beautiful Bouquet staying. Bright Wishes, Sunshine Sayings going. Love You to Pieces staying. It's a Bundle. Ribbon of Courage, Loyal and True going. Sorry for Everything staying. Sunny Days, Friendly Conversation and Lemon Zest going. Dandelion Wishes staying. Petal Palette is going. Why have I left that? Sure it's going. I will again have to confirm that in the associated post, but I don't think that's staying. Tropical Chic is staying. It's a Bundle. A Big Thank You is staying. It's a Bundle. Daisy Delight is staying. Thoughtful Thanks, All Things Thanks going. Be Thankful staying. Abstract Impressions, It's a Bundle staying. Artisan Textures staying. Calls for a Celebration going. You're Inspiring going. Beautiful You and Lily Pad Lake staying. Lily Pad Lake is a Bundle. Beautiful Day staying. Artistic Liaison and Floral Frames are going. Wonderful Moments staying. Swirly Frames staying. Dragonfly Dreams Eastern Beauty going. Painted Harvest, my favourite because I can do sunflowers with it. Staying. Sheltering Tree, Fabulous Flamingo and Playful Backgrounds are going. Rooted in Nature, It's a Bundle. Staying. High Tide is staying. Hurrah, I love High Tide. Country Living, Tuscan Vineyard and Mediterranean Moments are going. Lovely as a Tree, I never thought I would say this, is going. Waterfront is staying. Floral Statements, Southern Serenade and All the Good Things are going. Magical Mermaid is staying. Touches of Texture is going. Bokeh Dots is staying. Sea of Textures is staying. It's a Bundle. Oh So Eclectic, Timeless Textures and Seize the Day are all going. Peaceful Reflection, Bunch of Blossoms and Swirly Bird are going. Sweet Storybook is going. Colourful Seasons is staying. Woodwards goes. Gallery Grunge stays. Country Road stays. Painted Glass, It's a Bundle. Staying. Serene Garden, Bouquet Blooms going. All of this is going. So Falling Flowers, Amazing Congratulations and Better With You are going. As is Ready to Layer and Picked for You. Right, background stamps. Handwritten stays. Yep, handwritten stays. As far as the annual catalogue is concerned, there are others that are staying that were in the autumn, winter and spring, summer. But as far as the annual, handwritten is going. So, Pick a Pennant going. Lined alphabet stays, but all the other alphabets on this page are going. Love What You Do stays. Make a Difference and Crafting Forever stay. Now they've both got the copyright stamp in, so if you have an Angel Policy requirement, that's where you go for that. Now obviously, as far as the in colours are going, the 2017-2018 are going, so let me just do that. The new colour that options that were part of the 2018 annual catalogues, the relaunch for the colours, those as bundles are going, but there's only one that's actually bundle priced, which is the new colour assortment. So everything else was less so. So that's all fine. All of the designer papers are going, and I mean all of them, because if you remember, Wood Text just carried over last year, but everything else is going. What is also going are the cardstock packs. So the colours of these packs will stay if they aren't retiring in colours, but the actual packs will go. So this is going to be easy. Yeah, so coloured doilies are going, striped treat bags are going, glossy cardstock is going. There will be watercolour paper, but it's not quite the same. The small, the 2-inch wide cellophane bags, I cannot for the life of me find in the new catalogue. The mini gable boxes are going. The narrow note cards and envelopes and the delightfully detailed note cards and envelopes are going. Not surprised about that, because those coordinate with designer series paper. The all craft 6x8 album is going, and there's a different 12x12. The Whisper White Memories and More cards and envelopes, they will be there, but not in this format. So there's going to be a combined pack rather than different sizes. So if you want just the large or just the small, you know what to do. All the Memories and More cards are going, because they coordinate with DSP that's going. Faceted dots go, glitter enamel stays, faceted gems stay, the metallic pearls stay, all of the rhinestones stay, including the pearls, petal pink stay, the twinkle adhesive sequins go. The basic stays, the metallic brads, the leaf trinkets, the iridescent sequins are staying, everything else goes. On this page, everything's going. The leaf trim carries over. Bermuda Bay and Gorgeous Grape of the mini stripe carry over. The cotton real red. The grosgrain in the current, the 2018-2020 in colours will stay. The Whisper White tulle ribbon will stay. The textured weave ribbon stays. Metallic thread we're going to have rose and silver only. Burlap ribbon stays. Copper trim stays. Nature's Twine will stay. Metallic edged ribbon, we'll lose Berry Burst, because obviously we're losing Berry Burst as a colour, but we'll keep gold and silver. So the gold is with vanilla and the silver is with white. There is no silver Baker's Twine. In fact, the only Baker's Twine that is current that will be available is the Whisper White. The black satin ribbon stays, the linen thread stays, everything else goes. Right, crystal, the Brusho crystal colours go. The 2018-2020 in colour embossed powders go, just as I've got happy with them. The other embossing powders stay. The silver paste will go, and the uninked spectrum pad will go. Everything on this page is staying. Hurrah! We're going to get some new blends, but all the others are staying. That all stays. That all stays. You already know the trimmer and the associated bits are going. We're losing the punch boards. The Darling label box, yes, we're keeping. Right, so we're losing the Blossom Builder and the Duet Banner punch. And we're also losing any of the circles that have got a 4 in them. So the 3/4, the 1 1/4 and the 1 3/4. Oh, apart from the 2 1/4, which stays. But we are going to lose 3 of the circle punches, but we keep all the others. Fox Builder goes, Lemon Builder, Cookie Cutter and Bunny Builder go. We're losing the multi-purpose adhesive sheets, but everything else stays. Die cuts, so the big shot machine you will already have heard is going. So as far as dies, Animal Friends and Beautiful Layers stay. Botanical Tag stays, Bouquet Bunch, Broadway Lights, Cross of Hope, Delicate Lace, Flourish stay, everything else on that page goes. Lakeside Framelets stay, Layering Alphabet Edgelets stay, as do the Layering Circles, Layering Ovals and Layering Squares, and you'll be pleased to hear the Stitched Rectangles. Nature's Root stays. Pocket stays, but not the Pocket of Sunshine stamp set. You remember I said that was going. Puzzle Pieces stay. Seasonal Layers stay. Sliding Door stays. Springtime Impressions stays. Stained Glass stays. Stitched Labels stay. Stitched Shapes stay. The Support Ribbon Framelets stay. Thank You Die stays. Tropical stays. Under the Sea stays. None of the accessories, because we're going to be getting a new die cutting machine at some point. There is going to, so the die brush will go, but there is going to be a replacement for that may have something to do with this. Embossing folders. Basket Weave stays and Layered Leaves stays. Pinewood Planks stays. Seasonal Wreath stays. Subtle stays and Tufted stays. And I have to say the layout of the pages in the new catalogue is much better. Then we're on the host sets, and those go because they always do. So there we go. That is what is going from the annual catalogue. I will endeavour to put a link to, well, no, let's go back one. The easiest way of finding out what is still in stock, now that we know what is going, is to just go to my online store, because things are going to go like, you know, no time. This is the time, now is the time to get anything that is retiring while it's still in stock, because once it's gone, it is gone. So fill your boots while you can, and remember, please, 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 if you want anything that is a bundle that is carrying over, it will not be a bundle when it's carried over. So if you want to save 10%, do it now while you can. And what I would say is that it is possible that, because we're expecting cling to come in to replace the clear and the wood, there may, and I'm not saying there will be, I just am slightly concerned that if we sell out of, say, the clear mount stamps, if they then become unorderable until the new catalogue, you may miss the bundle price. I don't know. That's not me saying I know anything. I just don't know. But unless you're desperate for the cling, I would say just get it now. So yes, thank you very much indeed for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!